Chapter 9. Crafting Copy That Converts, Strategies for Maximum Impact. Ahoy, copywriting crusaders! In this pivotal chapter, we're diving headfirst into the heart of copywriting mastery, the art of crafting copy that doesn't just capture attention, but compels action. Get ready to roll up your sleeves and unleash the full force of persuasion as we explore strategies for maximum impact in our copywriting endeavors. Now, you might be thinking, what exactly is copy that converts? Well, my friends, copy that converts is more than just clever words and catchy slogans. It's a finely tuned instrument of persuasion that leaves no stone unturned in its quest to drive action. But fear not, for crafting copy that converts is not rocket science. No, it's a blend of art and science, strategy and creativity, that anyone can master with the right tools and techniques. So how do we craft copy that converts? It all starts with understanding our audience, their needs, desires, fears, and aspirations. By putting ourselves in their shoes and speaking directly to their pain points and aspirations, we can create a connection that resonates deeply and compels them to take action. But understanding our audience is just the first step. We must also craft compelling offers that are impossible to resist. Whether it's a limited time discount, a bonus gift with purchase, or a risk-free guarantee, our offers must provide clear value and a compelling reason to act now. And let's not forget the power of persuasion, the secret sauce that turns skeptical browsers into eager buyers. By using persuasive language, social proof, and scarcity tactics, we can create a sense of urgency and scarcity that drives immediate action. But remember, my fellow copywriting warriors, copy that converts is not just about making a sale, it's about building a relationship. We must always act with integrity and authenticity, ensuring that our copy reflects the true value and benefits of our offerings. So let us sharpen our swords and prepare for battle, my friends, for the battlefield of copywriting is a fierce and unforgiving arena. But fear not, for armed with the strategies and techniques outlined in this chapter, we can emerge victorious and conquer the hearts and minds of our audience. Are you ready to unleash the full force of persuasion and craft copy that converts? Then let's march forward with heads held high and pens at the ready, for the journey ahead promises great rewards for those who dare to wield the power of persuasion with skill and finesse.